First, the software allows you to create and manage a personalized library collection tailored to your workshop. When you need to use items, simply drag out the required models. Here I have hanging drawer cabinet, stack cabinet, and drawer cabinet. Next, I adjust the parameters of these cabinets to suit the production requirements. Place the cabinets closely together, then click Create Automatic Links. You can also review the links that have been added. Regenerate the cabinet doors using the door creation feature. Now, just select the CNC machine you want to use for production. Proceed with panel nesting and optimize the nesting layout if needed. You can also review the cutting order and the starting angle of the cut. With the latest version of the plugin, you only need to draw accurately. All issues related to linking and nesting for G-code generation are handled automatically. Finally, just export the G-code here, and you're done.